BMW X5 or Audi Q7? If you're shopping for a luxury SUV in the United States, these two are at the top of almost every list. Both look premium, both are powerful, both promise comfort, technology, and status. But here's the real question: which one actually fits your life better? Let's break it down, simple, honest, and real. Let's start with design. The BMW X5 looks sporty and aggressive, sharp lines, bold grille, and a confident stance. It feels like a luxury SUV that still wants to be driven hard. The Audi Q7 looks more elegant and classy. Clean design, smooth curves, and a premium presence. BMW grabs attention, Audi looks refined and professional. On daily drives, the BMW X5 feels athletic. Acceleration is strong. Steering feels tight and responsive. You feel connected to the road. The Audi Q7 feels softer and more relaxed. The ride is smooth, quiet, and comfortable. If you sit in traffic a lot, Audi feels calming. If you enjoy driving, BMW feels exciting. BMW is known for performance. The X5 feels faster and more engaging. It responds quickly when you press the pedal. Audi focuses more on smooth power delivery. The Q7 is strong, but it doesn't feel aggressive. BMW is fun. Audi is smooth. This matters a lot in the US. The Audi Q7 offers a usable third row. It's great for families, kids, or road trips. The BMW X5 is more focused on 5 passengers. The optional third row is tighter. If you need space and flexibility, Audi wins here. Inside the BMW X5, everything feels driver-focused. The screen is sharp. Controls are modern but still easy to use. Audi's interior feels ultra-premium. Dual screens, clean design, and top-quality materials. BMW feels sporty luxury. Audi feels high-end comfort. Both are expensive SUVs. BMW X5 can cost more with options. Maintenance and repairs can be pricey. Audi Q7 is similar in cost, but often slightly cheaper to insure. Neither is cheap to own, but both deliver luxury value. BMW ownership is exciting, but maintenance matters. Audi is known for solid build quality, but repairs can also be expensive. If you plan to keep the SUV long-term, warranty coverage is important. Luxury comes with responsibility. Choose the BMW X5 if you love sporty driving, you want strong performance, you enjoy being behind the wheel. Choose the Audi Q7 if you want comfort and space, you need a family-friendly SUV, you prefer a smooth, quiet ride. Both are excellent luxury SUVs. The right choice depends on how you drive and live. Which one would you choose? BMW X5 or Audi Q7? Comment below. Subscribe to Autoscope Global for honest luxury car comparisons every week.